I'm about to show you how a few simple signs can help your child feel truly understood. No more guessing games, just calm, clear connection. Ready? Imagine your child is upset, but words just aren't working. That's where American Sign Language, ASL, comes in. Teaching your child signs for feelings like happy, angry, and calm gives them a voice, even when they're overwhelmed. When kids can show you how they feel with their hands, they feel seen and safe, and you get real clues about what's going on inside. Learning ASL together is fun too. It builds trust. It cuts down on frustration. It helps everyone stay chill, even on tough days. Start with just a few emotion signs and watch your child's confidence grow. ASL isn't just a language, it's a lifeline for connection. Ready to sign up for a calmer, happier home? Give ASL a try. You'll feel the difference.